Hello friends, welcome back to IBS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction, and I'm also telling you as it the best time to sell it, buy or hold holo cryptocurrencies. And in this video I'm going to show you what's the price change, so what's the high price of holo in the previous last 1 hour, in the previous 2 hour. I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please I request you, please subscribe my channel for more this kind of news and updates. And my wish to hit 3k subscriber. Please I need your help. If you listen my voice, so please help me in complete my 3k subscriber. Please friends, subscribe my channel. Now first of all we see the last 2 hour price prediction of holo cryptocurrencies. As you can see, that is a live price prediction of previous 2 hour of holo cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, the chart analysis of the holo cryptocurrency, so they are continuously take a jump and goes up like a rocket, continuously jumping upward. So absolutely good news for all holo holders. So what you should do at this time at the start of new month, it is the start of April. So as you can see here, they falls down in the future maybe, and they goes up future maybe. So that is why it is a start of a new month. Don't worry about the fall of the holo cryptocurrencies. So my suggestion for all of you, all of holo holders, to hold it with the end of this month. Hold your holo at this time, because they goes up in the future very high and make you a millionaire. As you can see here, the change is only positive 9.64% change occur in only 2 hour. Absolutely good change, absolutely good change in a holo cryptocurrencies. In the high price of the holo cryptocurrencies is about dollar 0.024328 dollar is the high price of holo in the previous 2 hour, friends. And that is a low price prediction of last previous 2 hour. Now let's see the previous last 1 hour price prediction of holo cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, also jumping upward. The previous 1 hour is also absolutely good for all holo holders. You can see the changes are absolutely good news if you want to make money in a cryptocurrencies market. So I think there is a big opportunity for all of you. Buy a holo and make a good amount of profit. It's time to buy a holo cryptocurrency, because it's absolutely good change. As you can see, 10.06% positive change occur in the holo cryptocurrencies in only 1 hour. That is only 1 hour change of holo cryptocurrencies. Absolutely good change. I never saw this kind of change in the cryptocurrencies markets. As we can see, the high price of the holo cryptocurrencies in the previous last 1 hour, it's about dollar 0.024328 dollar is the high price of holo cryptocurrencies. So friends, that is a live price prediction of last 1 hour, last 2 hour. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. So according to the last 1 hour, 2 hour analytics and price prediction changes, so my suggestion for all of you, that's hold your holo crypto and make a good amount of profit in the future of holo. That is why I suggest for all of you, hold it, because their jumping is soon in the after a 5th April their jumping starts. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.